Welcome to Tally Learning Hub. In this session, you'll learn how to multitask using TallyPrime. The go-to feature in TallyPrime allows you to navigate from anywhere to anywhere and multitask without the worry of losing your progress. You can multitask while invoicing from reports or any screen that you are on. Let's start with invoicing. You were recording a sales invoice with a long list of items. A customer just walked into the store and you want to make a new bill by pausing the current one. To make a new sales bill, press Alt plus G for Go To. Select Create Voucher. Record and print sales invoice. That's it. You just created a new invoice without abandoning the bill which you were making. Now, you were recording an invoice and you got a call from your customer inquiring about the availability of specific stock. To view the reports in the middle of recording transactions, press Alt plus G for Go To. Type and select Stock Summary. Press Enter to go deeper and view more details. Once you have discovered the required details, press Escape to navigate back to the task you were on. Now, you can see that the invoice you were working on is intact. This way, you can handle the day-to-day interruptions without abandoning the task you were doing. Next, let's say there is an immediate need to print a report being in the middle of the voucher entry. To print reports, press Alt plus P for Print, select Others, select the report, print, and you are back to the voucher you were recording. Next, let's see how you can multitask from reports. Let's say you are on a balance sheet and you figured out that you missed creating a fixed asset ledger. You can press Alt plus G for Go To, select Create Master, Ledger, mention the details, Accept. Press Escape to go back. Now you can see the new ledger is updated in the report. Similarly, while you are analyzing the report, you can record vouchers. To record vouchers, press Alt plus G, select Create Voucher, mention the details, accept the voucher. Press Escape to go back to the report you were analyzing. This way, you can discover, multitask, and do much more without the worry of losing the task you were on. Now it's time for a quick recap. Recording a new sales invoice by pausing the one you were recording. Viewing reports from the middle of voucher entry without losing the progress. Printing reports while recording vouchers. Creating masters and vouchers from reports.